Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a anime styled thumbnail in Canva. So let's get straight to it. So when you log into Canva, you first want to just search up YouTube thumbnail, and then it'll give you all these type of templates. I'll start blank, and now I have the right size for a thumbnail. And what I usually do is you want to start with the background, and I've already uploaded certain images here, as you can see, and I'm just gonna go with this one right here. It's a pretty nice image of the Infinity Castle. And usually when you drag in an image into here, it probably won't fit, and you can always do this and whatnot. But what I like to do is right click and then just go here and click set images background, and then it does it for me. So now we have a nice background, and I know that certain people like to make their background a bit blurry, so you can do that in here by clicking edit image and then going down and then going to blur. And you can usually, if you're doing a specific, like let's say you want to blur a character's face, you'd use this feature, but we're doing the whole image, so we just go here. Then we just increase the intensity until we like it, and you can see it's getting more blurry. But we'll do something like this, I guess that works. And then the next part of the thumbnail is usually like a character in the thumbnail. You usually have some sort of character. Here we have some Demon Slayer characters. I'll bring on Akaza and I'll readjust him, make him a little bigger, and I'll make him the center of the thumbnail. Or I'll add another character later, so I'll put him more to the right. So he's right here. Make him a little bigger. And I think that works pretty well. And now I'll edit him, and for instance, I'll show you guys how to blur him. So I'll make this brush size a little bigger, just a little bigger, and then we'll just color in his face, as this is what we want to be blurred. And you can obviously take your time with this, and let's do the ear as well, and you can see the result. It's pretty good. And then it looks like that. And then what I usually like to do as well is I like to also add a shadow, which I don't know where it is right now. Is it here? Oh yeah, shadow. And I just do the outline, and this is a little too thick, so I decrease it a little bit, and you can change in intensity as well to your liking. And I'd say this is pretty good. So here we got Akaza. His face is covered, I don't know why, but what you could do is, if you guys have seen those videos about like 7 deadly sins as YouTubers or 7 deadly sins as anime characters, I know some people have done that. So we'll go with that type of style here. So I would say this could work. Oh no, this one right here. We'll change the color to, we'll just do black, and we'll adjust it to his face, so it fits his face just about like this. And then we'll put some text. This is usually what people added as well. And I'll probably just copy, okay. So go to text, and I'll recommend, here I have a few texts in the recent. I have Intense, Roboto, and Impact. Impact's pretty good, so I'll just use Impact. I'll increase this by like 80 for now, and I'll just put Wrath. Is that a good one for him? For Akaza? What's a better sin for him? Pride? No. Lust? Okay, we'll keep it at Wrath. I think that's a good one. We'll change it to, let's do it red. Let's just adjust the red a little bit. This is okay. This works for now. And then let's make sure to adjust it so it's in the middle. Maybe we should decrease it a little bit. And this should work. Maybe increase the original thing a little bit. Oh no, that's the wrong one. So if you can access, like here I can't really get the black box, so what I usually just do is I go to position and I click on it, and then this way you can access it much easier. Let's do that, and then move the text up a little bit. Let's make the text smaller. Okay, you get a general idea. This is not the best, but you get the idea I'm going with here. And what we can also do is we can add another character, and we'll do this picture of Kokoshibo, and then let's adjust this as well. And if you don't want him to be in front, as you can see, Akaza's arm is behind him, what you can do is just position it. So right click, and then just bring him forward. Oh no, I did it wrong. Layer, bring him forward. Okay, you see the arm is now good, but now you also have to change the position of the black box as well. So just right click on it as well. Wait, position. Can I right click here? Okay, great. Layer, and then bring this forward as well. Nope, we have to bring it front. Okay. Okay, and now also the text has to be done. It's a little annoying, but at least you see some more example of how to use it. And now we have Akaza's arm in front of Kokoshibo's, or you can just put it back. And now we'll do the exact same thing that we did with Akaza to Kokoshibo. So we'll go to edit image, and also there's some filters that you can look around with. You can experiment with them if they fit your style or whatnot. Like for this, in this instance, arrow is pretty good. You also have Bali. I think that fits well with the theme. Oh, this one's good, Capri. We'll go with Capri. We can change it a bit around. We'll put it about here. Let's go to blur, and Kokoshibo's face is a little bigger, so I'll increase the brush size, and then I'll just start brushing. And here you go. It's a pretty good blur. Now we go back. Let's add a shadow as well. You have other shadows as well. You have a glow, you have a curved, page lift, backdrop, angled, drop. I haven't really used them, but I think outline's probably the best. Let's change the intensity a little bit. Let's decrease it, and then the size as well. I think something like that should work well. Let's put him down a bit. That looks okay. And if you don't want to go through the whole process of just taking the box again in the text, what you can do is just go here, right click, click copy, and then paste it. Wait, what the? Hold on, let me try that again. Go here, right click, paste. Wait, what? Hold on. Oh yeah, duplicate, my bad. Yeah, just duplicate it. Increase this a little bit. That should work. And then what we can also do is go to the text and duplicate that as well. Drag it here. Then we can change this to, I'd say, what lust should I give him? Let's just give him pride for now, whatever, right? Pride works. And then here you can increase it. And then there you go. We just made a thumbnail in a couple of minutes, and I'll show you guys another example. This is a thumbnail that I made a while back. So right here, oh, we used Envy for Kokoshibo. Yeah, that makes more sense. But this is a thumbnail that I did like a day ago or something. I took my time a bit with this one, as you can see. It's more aligned, the texts are better. It's a nice thumbnail, but you can grasp an idea of what type of thumbnails you can make on Canva. I'm sure you can make much more advanced thumbnails as well. I'm just not the most advanced when it comes to that. I make simple thumbnails. I don't think overcomplicating them, there's any point to that, but I hope this video helped. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.